Hello, so back. I didn't exactly make a video of this. I am getting the NRV 211, the Numatic only for work. So this is a Hetty 160. It does not got the 160 there. Very different floor head, which I don't actually know what it's called. We are seeing her suction in a bit. Got a face. You can take off her hose if you screw it this way, and to screw it on, you screw it that way. If Charlie's got a Henry or Hetty, he can be a part of the Numatic family. So the underside of her looks like this. It's just walls and walls and walls, and two school classes and like that. If you got Hetty with none of these. If you got a Hetty with these, good. You can store it. Got a very long curves tool. You can adapt her. And let me show you, people. The brown brushes are horse hairs. My dad told me that. Now he's not going to be here for a few days. I got another brush. I do use this.
Fluff in it.
Yeah, I do use it a lot more. I use this on the stairs with the brushes on. Now, slide this off, and it's for this is only for stairs and couches like this. If you got wooden stairs, use this. If you got copper stairs, sometimes you just use a brush. So there. Got a very good hose. Oh! Do you remember this, Henry? I dismantled the other one, and the other new Hetty. And she got this Hetty off eBay. Got I only just got this, and it's still new. And it was like a long time ago. So I got this. Let me take off her hose so you can see what her face is like. This is smaller and compact. This is her face and her hat. And if you know her name is there. If you know her name is Hetty. And I'll put Hetty over here. She's got a plug. I don't actually want the charging Henry, the cordless Henry. It's got a big, huge battery there. And I need a commercial Henry for myself. This might be a bit different. I used to got a Henry, but now Mummy's got it. Handle, wind up. Only one switch. And okay, this is a light indicator. When this is plugged in, this is actually lighted up. Now let's see what she's got. She only came with two bags, one in her tummy, one not in her tummy. This is different to Henry's, isn't it? filter. Do not wash this. If you've got another vacuum like me, I got 3 real vacuums. 3 real vacuums. Wipe down this, but you can't wash it too. Don't even H-Pad. I don't really like H-Pad. Don't even like him. He destroys pneumatics, and I don't like him. Take out the filter. Here's me picking up some, but it's not that full really. It's super full there, not full the rest. This is red and the other one is red. Very old design. And she's being eaten. And she's going to get a new bag. I'm going to have to buy some pepper fry bags. I got a Henry 160 from Caston, which is actually I think old. We got one of these, which is exactly the same. This one is got a bracket instead. You don't have to look at it. Okay. This one actually has got a screw in. Now, this Hetty. I don't think it's got it. I thought it was wrong, but I thought this was floor and floor the flat is for floor and brushes for carpet. So I know it's different now. I cannot even take it off. This is the first time I cannot take it off. 2 not aluminium, iron. I'm not going to take this off. 1 handle, 1 metal handle. I always use it on this side because I cannot push that easily. This is low. This is high. And look in there. This is on high, on low now. So we got a handle. I mean, not a handle. We already got a handle. Got a tube. It's got a red check mark in there. Can you see, Mom? I'm probably it's been marked in the factory. We got this, the one that's bump here. It's connect them together. And this is all we got. To wipe it, to get rid of the scratches, get a surface wipe or baby wipe if you can't find any. All scratches will go in no time. Now, the 160's full head is supposed to be like this, just like the old Henry. But in a picture on the box, it has that. Can I show what the box looks like? Okay. We got a big, huge box. We got, we've made over 10 million Henrys and Hettys. Most of them are still in use today. Built to last, perfect all-rounder. Let's see. Okay. 26 1 meter cleaning reach. And where's the plug? I don't know where a plug is gone. In this picture, she's got no plug there. Made in the UK. Look, floor head, carpet, flat, that for floor. I think that's it. you got brush. You can actually store that and everything. So you cannot put the adapter on handles. I'm so glad I didn't use any of the tools. And we got on the hose. Loads of people say this is taped, just like on my favourite YouTuber. He says it's taped. And we got very dark inside. So let's see how she can do with a suction. Get a pneumatic, please. If you don't got a pneumatic, just get one for me. And that's why I said in another video. So they are very powerful. Good for cleaning. Get a James or something, or yeah. If you got work, make sure you got a NRV 211, and his name is only Numatic. My uncle has got one for his shop, and I always see him. Look, light indicators on when you put it in. Let's see if you can actually suck. Let's see about this tiny piece. Okay, I'm using this because it might be whistling like this. Okay, it's pretty powerful. I say that's a very good surface cleaner. I use tools all the time. So look, I did this. So oh my god, the adapter. Only put the adapter on here if you can't fit on this end because it's not bunched on that end. Same size, and that's also dirty. Now insert the ones in. That fits in. Don't get a short pneumatic, because get a long one, okay? If you got a shop if you got work, get your own NRV 200. I don't got NRV 200, and we're going to. It's going to be at the end. It's going to be in the end in a minute. So thanks for this video, watching, and let's get out of this video. Hetty's like and subscribe. If you didn't, hit that bell and